There's more than the usual excitement in Rio today, for there's going to be a launching. The Republic of Brazil is one of the most go-ahead in South America, and the ship laid down last December is the finished craft of today. The M3, a new destroyer, is about to start on her great adventure. President Vargas is in charge of the christening, and the vessel is gaily beflagged in honor of the occasion. Bang goes another bottle of the best, and with it another battleship. The M3 slips gracefully down the runway, while thousands of operatives, women as well as men, wave her bon voyage. She is a worthy daughter of Brazil, where the nuts and boats come from.